here you see part number 1 we made, a clip for my wife's pen for the fridge. Not pretty, but it works. Here you can see the other parts that I made with the Sugru. Here, there was actually nothing wrong with this wire, just showing what you can do with it. Wrapped it around the end, and now it's nice and flexible, and it doesn't strain on the wire as much. And it's nice, kind of a rubber feeling to it. Alright, up next, I had this bit driver, and it kept coming apart, so I put the Sugru on it to make like a little stubby screwdriver. It has, obviously interchangeable bits. Thought it was a cool idea. Obviously, you're not going to get very much torque on it, but for a stubby screwdriver, I think it'll do fine. Got a little texture in the handle. That way you can grab on and give it a good little twist. And it's got just a little bit of squeeze left to it, so you can squeeze it pretty good. And then last but not least, to help, like, say if you have like a bunch of keys. Mind you, this is not the key to my house. This is a key that I actually found on the ground, so someone else's house probably. But this allows you to know, like, hey, like, this is the key for my house, not the 14 keys I have for work. Because being a chef, I have a lot of keys on my key ring for the kitchen at work. So since they all kind of look the same, it's helpful to have something to identify the house key. So I figured this would be a good idea. Again, it's kind of a firm rubber feeling, a little bit of a give, and I just put a random number in there. You could write whatever you want. You could draw a picture of a house, whoever drives it you want, and you'll know this is your house key. Alright, so that was just a quick rundown of Sugru. I actually had never heard of it before, but I saw another YouTuber using it to modify a USB Type A to USB-C. I'll link it below to his video. And I just thought it was really cool and I wanted to give it a try, so I went to my local family neighborhood, Amazon.com, and I picked up this pack of Sugru with 8 different colors. I still have the white, a yellow, a red, and a blue. Lucky I got that right because I'm colorblind, but words. Alright, and that's about it. There is also a website you can go to on here. You can see it at Sugru.com or any of their YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, just to see a lot of cool ideas other people put on there as well. Alright, I think that's going to wrap it up. Have a great day and make sure you keep on making.